All right, welcome back. This is going to be the beginning of a new series called The Rebirth. It's going to be a father and son journey to bring my F-150 back to life. It's 2018 F-150. It has been down for I think about 6 months maybe. We're gonna do a diagnostic and see if we can repair a timing chain issue on the F-150, or if we can't repair it, we're gonna try to get a new engine and replace it ourselves. My hope for this project is that it will give myself, my son, and my father a chance to share knowledge in a way that we bridge the gap of that old school analog mindset with a new school digital outlook. So this is a little difficult. Just try to sum it up. You know, my father has a lot of knowledge. He's rebuilt engines before, worked on older cars. I'm a software engineer, so I'm good with coding, analysis, development. And my thought is that if we are able to take those two brains along with my son's fresh new flavor, he's about to be 10, I think that we can accomplish something great. We can continue to build legacy, like I said, bringing the past into the future, imparting that into my son. My nephew will also be making appearances in the series. He is taking an interest to mechanics, so I'm hoping that we all can learn from this, unlock new skills, and I want to bring you along the journey of this process. So what I'm going to do now is unveil the truck. It's been parked under the trees, like I said, for the past 6 to 8 months. So if you haven't yet, like, subscribe, so you don't miss any of these episodes. This is episode 1. I'm basically gonna uncover the truck. We're gonna do a diagnostic, trying to get this done before it rains, but we'll see what happens. So all right, let's just get going. Here we go. Here we go, connecting our jump box. I actually mistakenly put the GoPro on hyperlapse. All right, and here's our OBD2 scanner by ThinkCar. So as you can tell, the jump box is not keeping the truck on long enough for the scanner, so I played with it a little bit. And used the force start that turned it on and powered the device. So I'm not quite sure if we can do it with the jump box. But once I got ready to run the scan, it cut off. So we ended up aborting that mission. What I decided was to go ahead and take the battery off and recharge it. Alright, here we are. We're going to use this 10mm wrench to loosen these terminals and then remove them, set them to the side. Trying to see what's still holding the battery. There is a socket on the side that kind of clamps the battery in there. So we're just looking to see how that works. Alright, looks like we got one more bolt here that's holding the battery box in place. Looks like we're going to need a 8mm deep socket, and I don't have one, so I'm trying to use a wrench to try to see if I can get that loose, but we were unsuccessful. Alright, so I need a socket to get that out. So what we'll do, I'll get the tools I need for that, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade the battery, get one of those big Optima batteries, I think. So yeah, we'll get the tool to take that out. I disconnected it already. The terminals just need to unloosen this bolt so it'll take that clamp off and I can take the battery out. All right.